Hello, we the students of DJ Sangvi College of Engineering are here to present our final year project named Digital Ads Insights using Tableau. We are assigned a problem statement by a leading digital marketing agency who needs to present the trends in the KPIs to their client. One such field where analysis has a prominent importance is digital marketing.
The digital marketing industry is growing at a much higher pace and throwing challenges at the digital marketing agencies. Since we can see that each and every large percentage of startups and businesses are on the digital platform, the need for digital marketing is growing day by day. As we can see, according to the reports in India, earned digital agencies in India earned revenue of over 99 billion in financial year 2020 and is expected to earn 540 billion towards the 2024 financial year. So with the help of the analytics of the digital ad, we can conclude how we can work with our digital marketing aspect to improve our marketing and create a great impact on the users. So this is a table shows the objectives and the performance key indices of the digital ads.
Now, talking about type of analysis, there are four type of analysis. Number one is descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis respond to the question that what happened in the past, and it is basically done to the visualization of dashboard. Number two is diagnostic analysis. Diagnostic analysis take the outcome found from the descriptive analysis and try to outcome the problem from the descriptive analysis. Number three is predictive analysis. When we talk about predictive analysis, it responds to the question that what is likely to happen, but it is not sure that it is going to happen, as it is a prediction. And when we talk about prescriptive analysis, it take the insight from above mentioned all three analysis. Now in our project we have done the descriptive type of analysis. When we have a million of rows of columns of data, so when we go through that data, we will basically take that data and store that in our data sheet and try to work on it, but it is really very tough to work on that data. So to work on that problem, we use a software known as Tableau. In Tableau, we have to just drag and drop out the parameters and we will get the result. Every function that is performed in the backend of the Tableau desktop. Now the results, the outcome that we get are in the form of pie chart, bar chart, bubble chart, and also heat maps, tree map, and scatter plotted graph. Now Tableau is a software which is very easy to use and it is preferred by many organizations.
Let us have a look at the data visuals and dashboards. So this is the Tableau desktop interface. This is the data that we have, that we were given by the digital marketing agency. So this is the final data after data cleaning done in MS Excel. These all are, just follow my cursor, these all are the graphs, worksheets. First is the date versus CPM graph. So we have date on the x-axis and it is a dual axis chart, that is it can show two metrics at a time, and we have used color legends to differentiate both metrics. The orange one is the impression and CPM, and we have added filters over here which will be used later on the dashboard. Moving forward, average TPR, through play rate, and the cost per through play. Same here, on x-axis we have date, and on the y-axis we have CTR, click-through rate, and CPC. This is a line chart and an area chart, dual axis chart. These all will be combined at the dashboard and the results will be seen there. This is a date versus CR, conversion rate, and average frequency. Frequency means how much time a single post was seen by a user. And I have summarized all the numbers in this table: reach, impression, DPR, percentage, click-through rate, and CR. And this all will be summarized in a single dashboard with filter of date. Now moving forward, as we have divided our analysis in two parts. first one was the date wise analysis. The second here you can see is objective wise. So it is the same as date, just the difference is we have added objective as filter. You can individually see which objective, meaning brand awareness, video view, reach, impression, what was the results. So moving forward, we have made a tree chart to show the top 10 ads ER wise. ER means engagement rate. Now ER is the most important KPI because it shows how was the post engaged among the users. So the execution team can now see like what content was used in this ad, and they can find the common points that caused to gain high ER. We have also mentioned post number of post saves and shares, as they are the main contributors in reaching the new target audience according to Insta and Facebook algorithm. Similarly, we have made a tree map for the bottom ads by ER, so the execution team can actually check in their system like what content was missing from the top 10 ER ads, so they can improve upon these ads. Similarly, we have made uh, graphs, but now instead of ads we have instead of date we have ad names, and this is filtered by objective engagement. So we have ER as our KPI. So we can see uh, contest post 2 was the highest ER, 51.2%, and the lowest one was sleep day FB with ER of just 6%. And we can see maximum of them have crossed about 20% of ER, so that's a good plus. We have made two dashboard, one which is based on date. So we have the summary at the top, and I have and all the graphs here. So I have provided a filter for date individually, so one can play around this and have a look at the desired date. So I want January 1st to say 5th February. So here we have the data. Similarly, we have all the other graphs. The second dashboard is based on the ads. So there's a summary at the top, and I have given a common filter. The user can browse according to this objective. However, right now all the objectives are tick marked, so it will show all the data. So all the graphs here are at the one place. So the user can actually have a look at this graph, can have a glance at the graph at once, and this can also be directly presented to the client so that they have a clear picture of all the stats at one place itself.
So concluding our project has helped in knowing and presenting the trends seen in the past data. We can now take certain measures and implement them to boost the performance of our digital marketing agency. The Tableau desktops have been proved promising in creating visualizations and giving meaningful data analytics. So with the data industry growing, data analytics is very useful. With the big data coming in, the companies can know how well their company is doing and can make certain future plans to get certain profitable outcomes. We can also connect the Tableau desktop with the certain other applications such as Google Analytics to get and fetch certain visualizations. So a large number of companies are fetching the data, and this data is only valuable when certain valuable analytics is done on them. Our project using Tableau desktop has helped us in knowing and presenting the data and creating certain visualizations to see the trends, and these analytics will be used for certain future implementations and measures by the digital marketing company. Thank you.